What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, clearly not in my office, clearly burnt to the fucking T. Right now I'm in Orlando, downtown Orlando. Took a trip to Florida for the weekend with my parents. I got them a gift to go see the Rolling Stones, the concert, and right now I'm just waiting for them. They're they're at the concert right now. I'm just at a random park, vibing, doing my work here. It's beautiful. I already know this video is gonna be all over the fucking place. I have no structure, no hook, no story, no conclusion. Just I guess because I'm here, I've been here for hours all alone. I'm pretty bored and I feel lonely, so I'm gonna make a video like I'm talking to someone, and I might seem like a crazy fucking person, but it is what it is. I did want to talk about something, and it was more about, I'm not gonna get too personal about my situation, but we all go through these ups and downs. We all go through the failures, and you just gotta tank it. You gotta just do it. It sounds so shit, but I don't even know. I feel like shit. I'm not gonna be honest. I'm not gonna be honest. I'm going to be honest. I feel like ass. I feel like a failure. And that's okay, because when God gives you what you ask for, He gives it through trials and tribulations. If you ask to be resilient and hardworking, this high-valued superior man, I don't know, whatever your dream may be, doesn't just plop it and give it to you. He gives you the option to develop into that person. He gives you these situations, and then this is just another one to add to the books of the years of failures and tribulations. It sucks. I definitely admit it definitely sucks. But what else am I gonna do? Sit down and just give up? Cry about it? Not in my books. It's just I came to the point of no return. I put years into developing myself, striving for these high achiever goals, and I'm just gonna give up. So many people, I think everyone. This world sucks nowadays. Everyone just gives up, and I don't understand why. You just gotta, I don't know, my head's all over the place right now. It sucks. I feel like shit. It sucks. I don't know how else to explain it. It just sucks. But guess what? It doesn't matter how I feel. It doesn't matter if it sucks. I'm going home tomorrow. When I get home, I get back to work. Head down. Get back at it. Get up off my feet. It's as simple as that. You think I feel like doing this shit? Like honestly, you think I feel good right now after failing so many times? Like right now, I feel like an absolute piece of shit failure. I'm not. There's no bullshitting this. But guess what? It doesn't matter how I feel. I'm still at a fucking park, a random park on a bench at night, alone, doing product research. It doesn't matter. That no one cares about you. You're nobody. I'm talking to myself, and even to you. You're nobody. We're nobodies. And if you have this desire to make your name known, you got to work at it. But even at that, no one cares about how you feel. No one cares about what you're going through. No one. No one at all. So, why should you care? Just do what's necessary. Do what it takes. Do what you got to do. That's the life of a man. Just you do what you got to do. It is what it is. Yeah, it sucks. It sucks. But anyways, like I said, I'm getting up. I'm gonna get off my feet and just keep at it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the top.